Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change your password in WordPress. So let's start. So you're gonna have a WordPress website here, WordPress dashboard, and now what you want to do is just click on the users and go here to your profile. Okay, when you're gonna be here, you're gonna select first name, last name, just scroll down, and you're gonna see it here, account management, and you're gonna select new password here. So you want to generate a password. And now you just want to write here, I like you so much that you can't even imagine how valuable you are to me. And you can write here whatever. So then you just click update the profile and you get a new password. Simply, easy, and this is how we do it. Thank you everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, support and things like that. You know how it works. So thank you, see ya, and goodbye.